Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Ako si Jefferson Devilla. For today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-run ng program using JB Droid. First step is punta tayong Play Store and then search nyo JB Droid. Search and then once na na-install nyo na, i-open na natin. And then once na napuksan nyo na, papalitan natin to ng first program. And then save na natin. Save as. Gawa tayo ng new folder. Then rename Java Docs para madali nyo hanapin. Java Docs. And then select folder. Rename natin first program. Once na na-save nyo na, babaka natin and then third line. Lagyan natin system tooldoc out and print line. And then open and close parenthesis. Tapos double apostrophe. Then lalagyan natin welcome to Java programming. Make sure tama yung spelling and mga quotation mark. And then exclamation point. And then semicolon. Try na natin kung success. And then success. Sana may natutunan kayo. Huwag niyo kakalimutan i-save. Then, yun lang. Salamat.